Hello, my name is Henry Lancashire, and we're going to be talking to you today about the MSc in Physics and Engineering Medicine, which is based in UCL's Department of Medical Physics and Biomedical Engineering.
Hi, I'm Rob Moss. Physics and Engineering in Medicine is an interdisciplinary and rapidly developing field. This MSc is a key qualification for anyone wanting to work as a hospital clinical scientist or engineer. Our graduates go on to careers including engineering devices used in healthcare, developing and applying new methods for medical imaging, and researching safer and more effective medical treatments.
The course spans from the fundamental underpinning science to the clinical applications. UCL's Department of Medical Physics and Biomedical Engineering is one of the largest and most respected medical physics departments in the UK. The department has a distinguished history dating from 1896, when the first X-ray imaging system began operating at the nearby Middlesex Hospital. In 1913, Sidney Russ was appointed as the world's first hospital physicist, and in 1920 he became the Joel Professor of Physics Applied to Medicine. This was the first chair of medical physics in the world, and the Joel Professorship is still held in the department at UCL. The department is highly multidisciplinary, and our researchers collaborate with groups from a range of other fields and benefit from close links with hospitals, research institutions and industry, both in the UK and globally. Our facilities range from state-of-the-art laboratories and teaching spaces to clinical facilities for the applied testing of our research. Students on our programs join a research group and gain access to our cutting-edge equipment and expertise. Our academics research encompasses the fields of medical imaging, including X-ray imaging, ultrasound, optical imaging and MRI, proton beam and advanced radiotherapy, robotics and artificial intelligence, computing applied to imaging, diagnosis, treatment and surgery, and medical devices, both implanted devices and wearable devices. All of our teaching is research focused, and our internationally leading academics bring their expertise to their teaching on every programme. Our researchers collaborate closely with partners in hospitals, other research institutions and industry. Our students benefit directly from these collaborations through involvement in research and new learning opportunities.
The department's degree portfolio includes undergraduate degrees in biomedical engineering and medical physics, research degrees in PhDs and MRes, and taught master's programs including on-campus MSc in Physics and Engineering in Medicine, which comprises two routes, the radiation physics route and the biomedical engineering and medical imaging route. The history of the MSc in Physics and Engineering in Medicine begins in 1958 with the establishment of the world's first master's degree programme in radiation physics at the University of London by Sir Joseph Rotblat. The biomedical engineering master's programme began in the 1990s to provide an opportunity for students to specialise in applying their undergraduate learning to medicine. In the last decade, the Physics and Engineering in Medicine degree was formed with the two routes, radiation physics and biomedical engineering and medical imaging. The master's degree programme is for students who want to study at a world-leading, research-intensive university. For anyone interested in interdisciplinary approaches to problem solving in healthcare, and for those thinking of a career as a scientist or engineer in a hospital, in industry or at a university.
The Biomedical Engineering and Medical Imaging route is a flexible programme covering the engineering and physics principles that underpin modern medicine, with applied research in medical imaging, medical engineering and medical computing. This route is for you if you are interested in combining interdisciplinary knowledge across science and engineering applied to healthcare.
The radiation physics route has two possible options. The IPEM accredited route has a fixed curriculum which teaches standardised set of skills. The unaccredited route allows for flexibility with opportunities to explore other areas of interest. The programme develops essential skills in radiation physics within the context of medical applications. Graduates from this programme are highly sought after for their transferable skills and routinely find jobs in clinical radiation departments, radiation industry, research and regulatory authorities. The Institute of Physics and Engineering in Medicine is the learning society for hospital physicists and engineers. Our radiation physics programme is accredited by IPEM, indicating that it meets the high standards for knowledge and training required by these professionals. Our accreditation is recognised globally as a mark of quality and is highly advantageous for anyone wanting to pursue a career in clinical science, either through the NHS Scientist Training Programme or other routes.
The radiation physics route offers core topics in medical imaging and fundamental radiation physics, which form the foundation for specialist subjects like radiation detection and radiotherapy. Core topics in the biomedical engineering route include the basics of medical devices and medical imaging, followed by advanced studies in areas like implanted devices and robotic surgery. Both routes offer the opportunity to engage with our world-leading research groups through individual and group projects. This programme is structured around a number of compulsory and optional modules. This means you can choose to personalise your learning based on your individual interest and desired specialism. To view extensive module information for this programme, please visit the prospectus page.
When you apply for this programme, please show how you meet our requirements. Our ideal candidate is proactive, collaborative and engaged, has achieved a 2-1 degree or better at undergraduate in an appropriate subject, is committed to developing their understanding of the application of science and engineering in healthcare, and has previously shown that they are an excellent researcher, whether in an undergraduate research project or in another environment. For further information on entry requirements, fees and application closing dates, you'll need to visit the programme's prospectus page. This is also where you'll find a link to make your application.
Being part of the UCL community is inspiring and life-changing in many ways, not just academically. We are located in the heart of London, which was recently ranked the best student city in the world in the QS Best Student Cities Rankings 2025 for the 6th consecutive year. This means that access to UCL's state-of-the-art campus facilities is complemented by proximity to famous museums and galleries, esteemed libraries and professional associations, and first-rate entertainment and nightlife. This map shows where our 2 main campuses are based, Bloomsbury on the left and UCL East on the right. The pink dots are UCL accommodation and the blue are UCL campus buildings and facilities. Our accommodation services team is also able to offer support to students on alternative accommodation, such as renting privately or via the University of London Housing Services.
UCL Students' Union has over 300 clubs and societies, so there's always the opportunity to pick a new hobby or meet new people. Engineering-specific societies include the Fleming Society, UCL Racing, the AI Society, the Healthcare Innovation Society, and many others. The union also provides sports, fitness and entertainment facilities. You can also get involved in representing Team UCL socially and competitively.
The union also provides advice and support in case you find yourself struggling. There's a team of wellbeing, disability and mental health experts on hand at UCL Student Support and Wellbeing. Equality, diversity and inclusion are fundamental to the ethos of UCL. We were the first university in England to admit women students on equal terms with men in 1878. We encourage open-mindedness. You will learn how to think, not what to think, with us. We're proud that UCL is London's global university, with students from 150 countries and 400,000 alumni worldwide. Thank you for watching. We look forward to welcoming you to UCL.